Lovebirds, more than just birds in love. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be exploring the interesting phrase, lovebird. It may sound like it's all about romance and emotions, but there's a fun twist to it. Let's dive in. Lovebirds are actually a type of small parrot. They are colorful, chirpy, and are native to Africa and Madagascar. Known for their vibrant hues, lovebirds are popular pets and are known for forming strong pair bonds with their mates. Fun fact: lovebirds can live up to 10 to 15 years. In English, the term lovebirds is also used colloquially to describe couples who are very much in love and show affection openly. When you see a couple holding hands, whispering sweet nothings, or gazing lovingly into each other's eyes, you might hear someone remark, "Look at those lovebirds." Example: Anna and Tim are always together. They're such lovebirds. Let's look at how you can use the term lovebird in different contexts. 1. Literal: I bought a pair of lovebirds for my daughter's birthday. 2. Figurative: even after 50 years of marriage, my grandparents still act like lovebirds. Whether it's referring to the charming parrots or couples deeply in love, lovebirds is a delightful phrase to know and use. We hope this video helps shed light on its meaning and usage. Keep practicing, and remember, language learning is a journey. Happy learning!